Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can claim the 30 million downloads celebration gift in Heartopia. So if you go to your watch and go to the mailbox section, you'll see this. It says 30 million download celebration. Babu DG members, time to celebrate. 30 million players among the world join Heartopia. Thank you for your passionate support. The houses you've built, the friends you've made, and the daily moments you've shared are making this world more vibrant and heartwarming. To express our gratitude for your love and dedication, we'd like to offer you a small token of our appreciation. Let's write the story together in the town for many days to come. And you'll get this 30 million balloon, 50 wishing stars, 10 flawless fluorite, 6 mermaid fish attractor, 3 mermaid perfume, and 10 rainbow breeding powder. Press claim, and that's it. Oh, you also get the roaming oak timber. Sorry, I couldn't see that, but yeah, that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys, and if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!